What? Something is going on. Okay. Hi! Oh! Hello!
Albie.
Wow! That's... Whoa, Albie, come here. Whoa, you have that energy. I love you.
But just ignore him. He doesn't exist right now. He doesn't exist.
Hi everyone! Welcome to another episode of Knock Knock. And today's guest is...
Hi, Nathalie from YOHOMEGIRL. So my name is Nathalie. I have a channel called YOHOMEGIRL, and basically I do a lot of fashion content or like daily life things. And now, since I'm a brand new doggy mom, also my life with my dog.
I'm a big fan of you personally because whenever I watch your content, they're like good quality, and I can see that you put a lot of effort in it.
Thank you.
Because you have like a good taste and very unique. So I really wanted to come to your house, and thank you so much. Now I can see that. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it took me a really long time to actually design and plan everything.
Yeah.
It wasn't until like I've been living here 3 years, and it wasn't until like the last year that I finally figured out this is what I want. And I think it was because of the whole pandemic, pan de queso that we're going through right now, that I've actually had time to be like, oh, what is it that I like and do not like in my space. So I remember when I asked my sister, she's like, you need to have like a color palette, and I'm like, what about just rainbow? Because I just like a whole lot of color. So initially I just wanted things that just make me happy. And yeah, I guess like the main thing was just colors. So yeah, these are just like, I'm a really big fan of One Piece.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I'm really big fan of One Piece. Yeah.
Sorry.
These are from my two dogs. These are my two dogs, Rocky and Kaiser, that passed away like a couple years ago. And yeah, and these two things I made as well. The hardest thing though, and that's the thing with Korean houses, like they don't really allow like nails on the wall. So the hardest thing was putting this up. So I had to use like a certain type of putty to put it up, and also these pom-poms.
Woo!
Some stuff.
So cute! Some more pom-poms and yarn.
Made the pom-poms right here as well.
Oh my god.
It took months and months, but it was worth it because I really like it. And yeah.
So when you make this one pom-pom, how long does it take?
Well, what I did to try to be as efficient as I could is I would make like 6 pom-poms in a row. So then 20 minutes maybe for like 5 maybe.
This whole place, I'll say, is very interesting and very like full of fun, like fun things.
Oh, thank you.
Like seriously. Can we talk about your fashion today?
Thank you.
My god.
So this is a dress I recently thrifted, did a thrift flip for. I do have a video. These hair clips I created, and I'm currently selling them. So you know, if you want to go ahead and get some. These are some chanclas that my friend.
These are like super cute.
Oh, it's actually Sailor Moon.
Sailor Moon?
Marco would appreciate. Alright, so let's go to my closet. Let's start off with the first
What?
part.
There?
Yeah.
There?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So,
oh, this is like heaven. Oh my god.
So these are my dresses, pants, and skirts, long skirts. I put up all these things because obviously like I need to maximize storage. That's the biggest thing for me. So I put these all up so I can hold up my belts. These are my berets. I feel like that's another thing I'm kind of known for, and I added all that stuff. This is the second part. These are
what?
my blazers and sweaters.
Oh my god.
And little jackets.
oh my goodness. That is like...
You want to try it on?
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh.
Let's see. Oh, it fits.
Oh
it fits like your look right now.
I love like oversized, like jacket with pads here, shoulder pads.
The shoulder pads, yeah.
Oh my god, super cute.
I don't really have a whole lot of black, but I really do like this because it still has some color. And I'm a Leo, so that's a fire sign. So
I'm on fire. I'm sorry.
What? These are very random. It's like cooking stuff, some oils, and then my cheese.
What oils?
Yeah. Listen, man, I gotta use all the space I can. So that's.
And how about here?
This is this little contraption I made to store all of my accessories. I have a lot of earrings and a whole bunch of other little things. So I just made this. All it is just a wire grid, added some little things from Daiso, and then that's it.
That's smart.
Yeah. Pom-pom, silver, gold, and then like colorful, and then random.
Yeah, you're the queen of pom-pom, you know? Pom-poms.
Yeah. Get it, work it, girl. Go. Pose to your left, to your right, to your left. Pommery, like take rid of things that don't bring you happiness, but everything makes you happy, so
Yeah.
they stay.
Tired.
Oh, Albie has his own little wardrobe section actually.
What?
Right
oh my
here.
God, colorful.
Yeah, all these things. Some things that my mom made.
Oh my goodness, super cute. And
the
here?
last thing is just some other blazers and such. Yeah, this I kind of just used as a prop little area. I just wanted to showcase like some more colorful things.
Yeah.
And I have some shoes here.
Oh my goodness.
This is one of my favorite finds. Like we walked in there and I was like,
That's super cute. Super cute. Albie, can you give me a high five? High five. High five.
Yay!
Oh,
Good
thank you.
boy.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
So this was just some like contact paper that I always had, and I was gonna throw it out, but I was like, oh, you know, it'd be a really cool idea. What if I just, you know, stick it on here, and it's not gonna rip the wallpaper, so I just cut a random shape, and then I just made a thing.
Should we go upstairs?
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's go.
up.
After you, camera. Okay, let's go upstairs.
You scared me, Albie. Wow, so we have to talk like this. Okay, so you are such a maximalist. High five.
Oh yeah. I mean, like before even that word was a word, I was it. You were it. We were both it. It was just, it's a way of life.
Right.
I just have a lot of things.
And I can see that there are scarves here.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Just any little place I could put something.
Smart, guys. This is how you live in Korea.
Everything, like whatever furniture needs to be also storage. Like that's what it is. Like you need to take advantage of everything.
Okay, and can we talk about this pom-pom too?
Oh yeah, there's a pom-pom rug. This took me a couple months. Albie, why you want to be the center of everything? Let me shine, boy. Let me shine.
It took months?
Yeah, at least like 4 months.
And how about here?
Makeup stuff is here. Some more little, you know, there's storage. There's stuff in here. Stuff in here. Stuff in here. There's stuff everywhere, essentially.
Yeah. Wow, your bed is like super huge.
This is the first time I ever had a queen size bed. My sister was like, why'd you get such a big bed? You just get like a small bed. And I was like, I wanted to feel like a queen, please.
I totally understand you, of course.
I just sleep on half of it. So actually last night, because I knew you guys were coming, I was like, you know what? Let me sleep in the middle. I was like, let me just see how it feels.
Yeah, you have to enjoy the whole space. And here I can see the yarns too.
I wanted to have like some type of headboard, but adding in a headboard here is just, it didn't make sense. So instead I just created something to kind of fill up some space.
And again, oh my god, I'm so happy to see this. Mom, I told you I'm not that like a maximalist.
So yeah, this right here is the last of my wardrobe. Kind of not really, but yeah, so coats are here, sweaters, and we keep on going like, you know, shorter. More clothes over here as well. Yeah. In the dressers. And I don't know if you do this, but my suitcases also serve as storage. So there's clothes in here too.
So this is our official question.
Oh.
So what does your house mean to you?
My house is everything. I mean, it's my studio, it's my office, It's my place of peace, my sanctuary. So it's everything to me. I mean, like, I'm someone who's extroverted, but I can stay in my house all day and I'll be happy because I just love it so much. So
compared to where you used to live in another country and here in Korea, do you find anything different, like major difference?
I mean, apart from the size of the place, it's at least like with the newer office towels, I would say, storage. It's the biggest thing. I mean, like in terms of, we're already dealing with a smaller size here in Asia.
Yeah.
But to at least help you out, at least there's some storage, and there's storage in the staircase. There's storage here. They're everywhere. So that's one thing that I think is the biggest difference. That at least with the Korean apartments here, there's more storage.
Okay, we actually prepared some gifts from Nurihaus.
Oh, really?
You already know that. You already know that, and you actually chose them, right? So for those things, where do you want to place them? Can you please show us? Like, even though we don't have it right now, I'm sorry, that's my fault. But it's gonna be delivered to your house.
Okay.
Yeah. So is there any your idea
So one of them was a little lion mouse pad. So if I'm working here, it would be placed like right here, like bam, right here. Or if I work on my little kitchen area, then it would be there.
Yeah.
I got a little cup. So
yes,
cup would be, I think I would want to showcase it. So I would just take out one of these cups that they're just kind of like plain Jane and put it here so that it can be seen. I did get a hat, so you already know where that's gonna go. Right here.
Yay!
And it's this style, so it probably would be in this little area. I got some socks, so that's would be in my dresser.
Oh, you remember everything.
Yeah, I mean, I was like, this is really cute. This is really cute. I want this in my space, you know?
Yeah.
Especially because like you don't want to bring in things that isn't going to add value into your space. So that's why I wanted to make sure I pick things that I'm really gonna cherish and I really want to have in my apartment. So.
Yeah. Albie, come here. Okay.
Good
oh,
boy.
You understand my language? Really? Okay, so if you're curious about Nathalie's gifts from Nurihaus, then everything should be down below in description. So check it out, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out Nathalie's channel. She has great content, so please check it out down below. And also Nurihaus, we have some amazing products, so please go to the website and check it out. And we have our next episode, so who do you want us to visit? Please comment down below.
Do you already have a place?
Yes.
Tell me. Seriously?
Yeah, so guys, comment down below. Just any opinions are welcome. Thank you. Have a beautiful day. Knock knock.
Wait, I'm a cat?
It happens all the time. Don't worry about it.
I want to do this. I was like, isn't that like a girl group thing?